What up, guys? Welcome back. Today, one of the most popular little ASIC mining boxes that you can buy from home. And again, ASIC miner is application specific. However, this one does merge mine two coins, Litecoin and Dogecoin. And we're going to talk about today where you can pick it up if it is still profitable. I have been mining with this box for a long time now. So we're going to talk about what I make per day on each box. I do have 3 of them running right now. I have an L3 Plus as well. That is not turned on at the moment, but we'll see how profitable these little boxes are, what the price of this box is now. And remember, the market is down right now. So let's jump online and check out where you can get this box from. And then we'll talk about what pool I'm using and how profitable these little guys still are. Now we're going to start at ASICminervalue.com and we'll take a look at the GoldShell Mini-Doge Miner and the profitability. Now the market is down right now, but you can see here it is doing about $1.47 a day before electric and then about 6 cents a day in electric costs for a total profit of about $1.41 a day. And it does do 185 mega hash and 233 watts of power. That's what this little box will use. And if you scroll down, you can see it's released in July of 2021. Not very big. You guys have seen how big these little things are. 35 decibels of noise, not very loud at all. It doesn't generate a lot of heat. 2 fans to keep it nice and cool. And if we scroll down here, here are some of the pools. Here are some of the coins that you can mine with this box. And again, I am mining Litecoin and Dogecoin. Get paid out in both. And here are some of the vendors. Now, of course, GoldShell, all the way on the bottom, you can see the best price by far. And this is where you want to pick it up. $6.99 is the price, guys. Follow them on Twitter. Get notified whenever they get a drop. Turn notifications on and sign up for their newsletter because they will notify you when they do have a drop. And it's basically a race at that point to see who can get in and check out and get your box as fast as possible, because you really don't want to go to these other places and buy like almost $1,400, $1,300, $1,200, $1,100 here. So your ROI is almost double what it would be if you can get it direct from GoldShell. Now this $6.99 price is without a power supply. So just keep that in mind. It's another $100 if you want to get a power supply from GoldShell. And then if you scroll all the way down, you can adjust this, your kilowatt hours, so your electric cost here, around 12 cents. That's what I pay. You can click on apply and it will change your profitability up here. So if we go to GoldShell's website, you can see again $6.99 here, $7.99 is the price with the power supply. As you can see right here, choose an option. Only mini Doge is $6.99 and then the power supply is $7.99, and it's only a 300 watt power supply, so really not that good. There are better options out there, like from Parallel Miner. I'll drop a link below. You can get a really good power supply, a very efficient power supply where you can run about 3 to 4 boxes on one power supply, and I'll drop that link below. And I do have a video coming out on power supplies and what you should get for these little box miners. So let's talk about profitability on this guy. So all of mine I picked up from GoldShell for $6.99. So I'm using F2 pool right now, and you can see I got to pay out yesterday. I got to pay out every day pretty much. And in Litecoin, getting paid out 0.01027590, and it varies depending on the difficulty at that specific time on that specific day. And you can see if we go over to workers, you can see here I do have 3 running, and the total mega hash here, and each one individually. And I can show you guys how to set this up on F2 pool if you are interested in a video on that. It gives you the 24-hour hash rate and the 15-minute hash rate, and then the rejected rate. And you can see how efficient these are. Barely anything. 2 of the boxes have 0 rejection rate, which is fantastic. And then the third one has 0.02, which is still really amazing. And you can see all 3 are online at this moment. And then the revenue, we'll go back to the revenue and we'll take a look. So you can see if we scroll down, Litecoin revenue and Dogecoin revenue here. So you are getting paid out in both. And we'll start down here at the bottom with the Dogecoin. So doing about 18 to 19 Doge a day. As you can see here, this is January 31st all the way up until yesterday. And it's been pretty pretty much the same all the way through 18 and 19. So 19.79 yesterday. And if we go and take a look at the price and the profitability of that, 19.79 is about $3.07 a day between all three miners. So, if you just do it individually, we want to look at this as one miner, it's about $1.02 a day per Doge miner right now in the down market, which is I'm okay with. I'm totally okay with that. Now, if we go up to the Litecoin revenue, remember your total revenue will be these together. You're getting paid out in both. And so Litecoin, 0.01027590, and it varies again depending on the difficulty. It does go up and down depending on how many people are mining Litecoin or Dogecoin. And if we go over to the Litecoin profitability here on CoinGecko, you can see 0.01 is about $1.42 a day. So altogether, $1.42 and 307. So that's $4.49 a day. And if you split that up between 3 days, over a 3 day, or over, I want to split it up by 3 because we have 3 miners. So each one individually is doing right around $1.50 a day, which in this down market, I am perfectly okay with that. Your ROI is going to be right around 480 days. So not bad, about a year and a few months for your ROI on a GoldShell Mini-Doge miner if you can buy it from GoldShell. And this is what I stress doing, guys. Follow them on Twitter. Get notifications turned on. Sign up for their newsletter because they do drop. Well, they have drops almost weekly, maybe every other week at this point, with mini Doge miners available all the time. So you can pick these up at the really best price you're ever going to buy these for. And when the market goes up, so we're going to mine all these coins, Litecoin and Dogecoin. When the market goes back up, those coins that I'm mining at this price will go up in value as well. So your ROI will improve once the market improves. And I think long term, look, this is not financial advice, and this is just what I do, guys. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button. A sub would be appreciated. And check out my main channel, Digital Slang, on YouTube. But the way I look at this, and this is, I'm investing in my future. Every time I get a mini box miner, whatever it is, or a bigger ASIC miner, or I have a rig up and running with graphics cards, whatever it is, or even a computer like I have behind me mining Ethereum right now, they're all employees. They're all making passive income, and passive income is the key to financial freedom. At least that's what I believe. You might believe something different, and if you do, I'd love to hear from you. So drop some comments below. But that's it. If you can get this mini Doge miner from GoldShell, I still recommend it, guys. A year and a few months is not a bad ROI on a device that will go up in value when the market goes up. So I'm all in still. This is what I'm doing, and I'd love to hear from you guys, and you guys can let me know what you're doing. But that's it. The GoldShell Mini Doge Miner, in my opinion, still worth it. And I'm going to keep mining away, guys. Hit that like button. A sub would be appreciated, and I'll be back soon. Stay safe. Peace.